I just wanted to talk about Algomint. This is, if you know the coin Algorand, this is for their blockchain. It's related to their blockchain, and they're gonna have they're calling it a holiday gift, which is like an airdrop. And you can read through this. They want you to bridge. If you bridge over BTC or Ethereum, there is a minimum, I think for the BTC, it ended up being like $46, and I'm not sure what it is for Ethereum. Um, it, Here it says it doesn't matter the amount, but in the bridging thing, there is like a minimum and a maximum. The minimum for Bitcoin was like $46 that you have to bridge over. So yeah, I'm just gonna kind of like, there's a few videos on it, but not too many, but you can read through this, and it's basically saying it just depends on how many people bridge over. If this many people bridge over, um, you know, 0 to 10 million, then this is how much the airdrop will be. Depending on how much gets bridged over in the total, everyone will get the same amount. So basically, this just talks about that there's going to be like an airdrop. So you can read through that. This is, if you go to Algomint and type medium, or yeah, Algomint, it's on medium.com, and you type holiday gift, you'll be able to find it somewhere on the search engine. So this was just to show you that it's really happening from Algomint. And I'm gonna try to to tell you kind of how I think it's done, so you have an idea. But first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna need to go to walletmyalgo.com, and you're gonna have to create a wallet. And this will be like any other wallet that you create. And you can send your Algorand to this wallet. It'll have an address on top, and you can hit receive. And if you have your Algorand on Coinbase or somewhere else, you can send it here and get all your Algorand on your AlGO wallet with your own keys. So this is their wallet that they use. And then I went to Algomint, and it does have step-by-step things, and they do have some videos here that kind of walk you through a little bit. They're like quick 1 minute videos, but it doesn't really have like everything on it. It does kind of talk to you about the account creation, which is like when you go to Algomint, this will be app.algomint.io. I already did this, but if you didn't do it, it'll say like create an account. So you put your email address, and then you do a KYC. You have to show ID and like a photo of your face to prove that, I guess, the ID is you. So this is what the place looks like where you do the actual bridging. See, here's the bridge. But if you go to frequently asked questions, it takes you here to this section where you can get the instructions. So you can watch this video on how to create the account if you want. Wallet preparation. So you create the account, you use an email, and you will need an authenticator on your phone, Google Authenticator for the second party verification or the two-party verification. After you've done that and you've gotten the account and you do the KYC, and then after you get approved, then you're prepared to mint. So you do the verified email, complete KYC, do your Algorand wallet, it's like setting up any other wallet, like a MetaMask or another type of wallet. Once you have all those, then you add assets, and you do that in here in this AlGO thing. did have like a little video about it here. Like you're in this AlGO wallet that you created. See, this is where it uses your address here, and you could hit copy it. And if you want to send your stuff to this address, you can send your AlGO over here, and then you'll see, and I'll show you how much you have. But to add assets, you go up here. You're gonna have to go to this. Is it this? Yeah, AlGO, and you'll have to add like Bitcoin and ETH. And when you pick it, it's going to say add asset, and it's going to give you a little number there. And then you have to go here to your wallet, and up here you'll add the asset. And this is where I didn't log in because I didn't want to show all my information. But when you log in, it'll look like this. This is how you'll add those BTC and Ethereum. Let's see if see, they just clicked on that thing, add asset, paste, because they're going to give you a code for each one, and then they add it, and you have to do these things. It costs a little bit of AlGO. You have to put in your password that you created with this wallet, and then hit send, and it'll do pending. You know, they named it Freckle, but that's how you add the Go Bitcoin and Go Ethereum, by doing this opt-in thing. And I guess these are other coins that they have. So yeah. And I got this from Coin Market Bag. They had how to add assets to your AlGO wallet to receive an airdrop. So after you've added your assets, you have to add Go BT and Go ETH. Then you have to have, wherever you're sending, like say you have Bitcoin on Coinbase, they don't want you to send it from an exchange. They want you to have it like, either you can have it like MetaMask, or you can have some Bitcoin wallet. These are the ones they recommend. But say you have it on like Atomic Wallet or something else, something with your own keys, not an exchange like Coinbase. You have to add your wallet there. Like say you had a MetaMask wallet, you have to add the wallet there. And then you also have to add your AlGO wallet here. You have to add it under the wallets. There's a section here called wallets, and you add all the wallets there, where it's coming from and where you're receiving. So it's a little complicated. That's why I kind of want to make a video, because I had to figure it all out. And there are some videos, but they're all in different languages, and there's really no like good video. But if you try to walk through this, you can try to figure it out. After you've added all your wallets, I guess you just go to Bridge, which is here, Bridge, and then you pick, say it's Bitcoin that you're going to do. You go make sure you're on Mint, and see, you have to have a minimum of this Bitcoin. And I found out this minimum was like $46 currently. So you're gonna, wherever your Bitcoin is in your Bitcoin wallet somewhere on the internet, whatever wallet you have to put the exact amount here, and then it's gonna go to this AlGO wallet, the asset that you added here. You know, when you add an asset here, it's going to go to this, which I don't know if you're understanding all this, but hopefully I'm going to close this out, and that's your AlGO wallet. And then, so you go to Bridge, go to Mint. The minting process converts your BTC to Go BTC. So select BTC by clicking on the box. So like this, you select which one you're going to do. So whichever asset you have to send over. And then you put in the amount. You have to put at least a minimum. If you have more than and then the maximum, you can't go over either. You can't go over 1 Bitcoin. But you can go from here to here. You can put whatever amount you want to send. If you want to send a lot, you have to contact support and they have to help you. So select that. And then you select, you want it selected to the place you want to go. So you select the Algorand wallet you want Go BTC or Go ETH deposited to. If you just have wallet, it'll be auto selected. So this wallet that's already that you added there it'll go in there. How much time do you have to deposit into the escrow account before the transaction times out? How much Go ETH you will receive in exchange for depositing the ETH quantity you entered earlier. Okay, so you want to deposit into your Algorand wallet to the Go ETH. It's talking about the time that takes to complete. Looks like 59 minutes there. I don't know if that's correct. I haven't actually done it yet. I'm going to do it with Bitcoin. I had Bitcoin on like places. I have to move it to a wallet. I have it probably on a place where they don't want me to send it from. And then they show you have to put the amount. You're going to send this much. You're going to deposit it into your AlGO wallet. Right from here to here, I guess. My wallet. This is like going over your transaction. So you make sure you do not use an exchange wallet. So you have to use a special type of wallet. While transaction is pending, click on the escrow account to copy it to your clipboard. You will find this in the minting order. Go to your BTC wallet. So if like you're sending Ethereum, you have to copy this address, like this one right here, and go to your MetaMask, like if you were sending Ethereum, and go to send where the where your ETH is, and you have to put the same amount in your wallet that you want to send. So you have to go to your BTC and hit send. Do not use slow mode on Ethereum or it could time out. Paste the escrow address, then enter the exact amount you entered when you did for minting. So whatever, you have to send it to this wallet and enter the exact amount. If you do a different one, it won't go through, it says. Do not send any value besides this. If you have entered the wrong amount, resulting in the transaction not going through after you have sent the assets. Oh, you need to go to AlGO. Oh, if you make a mistake, you can go to support and ask them to help you. Yeah, it could take 1 hour to 5 minutes. 1 hour for BTC or 5 minutes. And then after that, you will see that deposited in here. And you'll have done the bridge. And that's what they want you to do, this bridge. So this Algomint is an Algorand is like the thing is they want people that have Bitcoin and Ethereum to bridge their Bitcoin, send their Bitcoin and Ethereum over here so they can use it on the Algorand blockchain. And they do have other things. They have something like called Tiny Man, They have different places where you can stake on Algo, and they have AlgoFi where you can do staking, and that I found videos on YouTube about. But I didn't find about this bridging. And the bridging, you have to do it by February sometime. If you look for the article, it says by February. So you have all the month of January to try to get some Bitcoin or Ethereum. Add the wallets here. Open this up, add all your wallets, try to put an amount in, send it over, and put the same amount in your wallet and have it come over here. And if you use this bridge even once, you will be eligible for the airdrop. And you'll get the same amount if somebody sent like one Bitcoin or like $20,000 of Bitcoin and you only send $46 of Bitcoin, you might get the same type of airdrop. So anyway, that's the video. I know it's long and confusing, but I just wanted to let you know what I found out and kind of how you can find out how to do it. Thanks. Bye-bye.